Hi, this is WSDTYME here. This originally is going to be my thoughts on the movie. Since things in life happened, I did watch the movie, and I gotta see it again to explain. All I know is I liked it. It was pretty good. I actually enjoyed it. And this is me going through the fashion district back when it was open before the whole fucking coronavirus bullshit happened. And right now, I'm sitting at home, not doing nothing, and I have no idea if I'm going to get paid or not. But anyway, I'm going to do something else instead. First of all, I'm going to do this whole series. I have a tier list I've been setting up here, and I'm going to see who I will actually beat in a fight. Now, kids are excluded on this. There's going to be a tier, well, you'll see it. Just watch. And here we go. This is the tier list, and the kids already down here. Doesn't feel right putting them on the list. Maybe if I was their age, he would be up here. She would be, let's just face it, trash. He would be also trash. And Riley, depends. Don't know much. Trash. He is trash. And she would be not worth it. She kind of crazy. But yeah, so all there is adults. And any ones that I may have missed, I think I missed any. No, I didn't. Alright, we're going to go in order here, and some of these dudes I'm already looking at. Yeah, I would not touch it with a 10-foot pole. Think you know why. If you've seen the show. We'll start off with Uncle Ruckus. Uncle Ruckus, that depends. He comes off as a little crazy. I'll put them here. Not worth it. I'm going to say there. Actually, it depends. Now, this guy, if he had his riches, his guardsmen taking his ass, guess what? His ass would be on the trash list. But it's not worth it. You whoop his ass now, but later, he comes in with a gang of lawyers, then, he'll fuck you up with, financially. Same here. Here's you see that? You don't fuck with somebody that can do some shit like that. You just don't do it. And him depends. Is he strapped? If he's strapped, I'll say here. Depends. Black nigga sitting right. YouTube's going to YouTube, and because of that, this is going to be no audio to it. Even though this fight is all over YouTube, nobody have nothing happens to them. But let's get to you.
Nigga, what's really good?
Yep. Not fuck with that shit. And Luna, what did she do again? We're gonna put you up here. And this bitch knows how to knife fight, so I'm gonna say not worth it. Not worth it. You may be able to get if you get the knives away from her, but you're gonna get cut. So it's kinda not worth it. Him, it depends. And he's another one that I say is not worth it. I'll say, well, as a pimp, he's not displayed as much. So I'm gonna say not worth it. This guy. Yeah, we're not getting paid for crazy. Closed steak meter. What did he do again? Oh yeah, we're not getting paid for crazy. And Granddad. When he has that belt, he becomes a fucking martial arts master or some shit, so yeah. I'm gonna put him up here. And Princess Time or Steak Meter or whatever you want to call him. This I had to pull the video the first time and re-upload this shit and re-edit it. Basically what he was doing is fucking everybody up and beating everybody's ass. And as you can see from here, he just kicked Granddad in the face. And I don't know how he got up. He just took that shit, ate that shit, and went back and came back and forth again. I don't know how he did that shit. And I don't get why I fought a bunch of claims on this shit when, a bunch of motherfuckers on reaction videos are uploading the same shit. But YouTube is going YouTube. So, let's continue. Yeah, he was fucking some shit up. Yeah, I'm gonna put him up here. Got paid for crazy. This bitch again. When she went, yeah, the hayocracy, yeah, not get paid for crazy. Psst. Now her, even though she was fucking Tom up, it was Tom. I don't know with her. She didn't look like she came on like she had some sort of martial arts skills, so I'm gonna say depends. Romney, yeah, that motherfucker's crazy as shit. The same thing with this motherfucker. Let's see. Crazy bitch. Yeah, we're gonna put you up here. Sharp claws and all that. Yeah. You see what he did that dude? And I'm gonna say not worth it. Not worth it. No, that bitch is crazy, actually. Yeah. You see that? That bitch is crazy. Yeah, fuck that. And this guy.
You want to explain to me what you're doing here?
I came looking for booty.
You came looking for sex with an underage boy?
Oh, no, I ain't come looking for no little boys. I ain't got no milk, no cookies, nothing. I came looking for man's butt.
A man's butt? Excuse me?
Oh, I know who you
Looking
are.
for a man's butt. A man's butt.
I watch your TV show all the time. So you can go ahead and bring them cameras and them police is waiting outside. It don't make me no difference. Now, I tell you what. I like you, and I want you. Now, we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
Well, I don't think you and I will be doing anything any kind of way.
Okay, I see you choosing the hard way.
Okay, cut.
Now you think this is a game? I would get out of there if I were you. Too late. Yeah, I get paid for crazy. Fuck that. Like I said, any chance of getting skeet in the ass? Fuck that. And she's... I would say not worth it. You people like that always packing heat. I had to put him down there. No, that's not. I would say, yeah, he can't get going in that fight. Right? Nah. Sarah, I haven't seen her, so I don't know. I really want to put him here. See, the reason why I want to say I put him there, yeah, he did break Bull's kneecap with a bat, but at the same time, you had to use a bat. And you were beating up people, you were beating up little kids most of the time. And he said, according to Rowley, he's supposed to be like about around 5'4", 130 pounds. Nah, that would fuck this, steamroll this. Yeah. Fuck you. Fuck you. Now, steak meter, yeah. I'll say pushover. I'll give him points because, yes, he is blind. So, I'm going to keep him up there. This punk motherfucker. Fuck him. And, what did he do? Was he part of the hypocrisy? Death by beheading, motherfucker! Fuck that! Well, that's my tier list, everybody. To sum it all up, the people in the S rank, yeah, they would pretty much obliterate my assistant. The second would just, kill me with some crazy technique like, shooting or knifing or spanking, granddad. Even though he did, close state meter at the end. And people that are not worth it, they already died in their stripe, just like that old lady that'll cut you. She always has a knife on her body. That's why I say that. Or that person's strapped, or they have a team of lawyers where in the long run, it's gonna bite your ass. So leave that alone. Depends. Ruckus, if he can be a little rough, could be tough to beat. Problem with Ruckus is there's a time when he has a when he has a weapon, that's where he becomes very dominating. Like you can't beat him when he has like a whip or nunchucks or something like that. That's why I put him on the depends list. sneak attack him, and yeah, probably, because, you know, he obviously had no problem whooping his ass, so. And Thug Neverson and Gangsta Licious and all that, I don't know about them. They may come strapped later. And that girl, I still don't know about that much. He looks ready, so I'll just leave that alone. And pushovers is that. Pushovers, and trash is that. Trash. And as you can see, anybody in the kids list, I'm really is Huey Freeman, because he did fight Michelle Brown. And I was serious, and he did give him a little work. Granted, he had the Black Power Fist, which is a taser gauntlet he made that electrocutes you when you punch somebody or something like that. No, electrocutes you, shocks you, basically. So that's that. So yeah, that's the only hit on here that I would like actually fear, because, you know, how crazy the show is and how over the top it was. And him somehow sweep kicking Bashir Brown, a grown ass man somehow. I don't know. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all stay safe, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Stay safe, everybody.